Plato Woodwork's reputation for quality goes back 5 generations to 1893, when Carl Pinsky, their current president's great-great-grandfather, started in the building industry. That pride in the product they produce was in the DNA of the family and is the reason for the success this family-owned company enjoys 120 years later. It starts here with an experienced customer service department. They meticulously examine incoming orders from Plato kitchen and bath dealers all over the country, carefully editing them to ensure no discrepancy goes unchecked. After the dealer has been given an opportunity to check the acknowledgement and the detailed shop drawings, the order goes into production. To build a quality product, you need to start with the highest quality materials available. It's referred to as the Plato spec, and it's a raw material specification that demands that only the finest materials are used in the construction of Plato cabinetry. To build a quality product requires quality tools, and Plato Woodwork has the latest in high-tech computer-aided machinery to make sure the saw cuts are flawless, the parts are square and precisely dimensioned to within thousandths of an inch. Sanding is a critical step in achieving a quality finish, so Plato takes great care to carefully sand all parts prior to assembly, using forehead sanders with progressively finer paper. Special sanders for veneers that are so precise they can sand the ink off of newsprint. And finally, hand sanders to do additional detailing. The parts are then carefully assembled. Frame and panel doors are made by Plato and come together with compressible inserts that allow the center panels to float. The door assembly is then glued at the joints and clamped to ensure the joints are tight and the doors are square. All drawers are solid maple with furniture dovetail corners and 3/8 fully captured plywood bottoms. After a final sanding, the custom cabinets are ready for finishing. The cabinets are then staged and released to the finishing department by job to ensure uniformity. Additionally, a door sample is finished with the job and retained at the factory for 6 months, so Plato can precisely match any additional parts or moldings ordered at a later date for that particular project. The Plato finish is a catalyzed conversion varnish known for its durability. Plato takes the unusual step of applying either 2 primer coats or 2 sealer coats before applying the final top coat. The cabinets go through infrared drying ovens after each coat of finish and are hand sanded and thoroughly vacuumed in between coats, resulting in a smooth, silky finish that can only be achieved under factory-controlled conditions. Then, after finishing, the cabinets arrive in final assembly. The doors are hung on the cabinets, and the dovetail drawers, with their full extension soft close sides, are carefully installed. Finally, the cabinet spaces are protected with paper, and the entire cabinet is wrapped in stretch wrap before being cartoned, staged, and loaded onto Plato's air ride trailers.
We also believe that what we put into our product and what we allow the customer to do, again, we're a 100% custom cabinet manufacturer. We're going to build what it is that you want. If we can't build it, we're going to give you the reason why you shouldn't be building it, because we've done it before and seen it fail. So all of that experience that comes along, I believe, sets us apart from other companies that are out there.
People are cross-trained and can move to different jobs in different areas. It helps us get our product done in an efficient manner.
You know, it makes everybody has a feel of a sense of being a part of everything. You know, not it's just that you come in and this is your job. You know, where you're always focusing on something different throughout the whole shop, and people coming in and you know, being able to address things and talk to them and show them, and I think it's important.
Well, I think they take more pride and ownership in their work. You know, they know they're not just a number.
I think we have the best customer service department, both our engineers and the customer service reps in the industry. Part of that is knowing our dealer's business knowing what it is that they're looking for, and our ability to go into their orders and check those orders over to the nth degree, so that, it's the old adage, you measure twice and cut once. And when it gets to the field and there's a problem, it's too late. Because your homeowner out there that was depending on that dealer says somebody made a mistake here. We don't want to get to that point.
You know, it's a family business, and not only a family business, but I think you're part of the family.
We work side by side with everybody. I've been here 13 years, and most of the guys there are like family.
I like what I do here. I love the family-oriented company. I enjoy all the people that I work with and love what I do.
It seems like every day is a different part of a new chapter. You know, just seeing the abilities, what people have, and how things can come in to, like, you know, just a vision, and seeing a final product coming out. And I think it's fantastic. It's more than just a job. I mean, it really is. So.